Matcha all the way.
Matcha chicha.
صباح الخير صباح الخير. Alright, cool. Oh, maybe I should turn on this light. Give me a second. Maybe that'll make it look a little bit better for you guys on TikTok and YouTube. Alright, well, just loaded up right now, so I have not seen much from the market yet, so I'm gonna, see how gold is moving, and then we could decide from there. We have a hourly inside at the moment. Right now we have an 1 hour inside. I would love to try out shorts if it does push it 2 down. The 5 minute is showing absolute weakness, to be honest, if anything, so I would love to give it a shot for shorts if we can get a nice play move down. I'm going to be taking about a 1-to-1, a 1-to-1.5 or our multiple. Yes, because WAP is where you can go to the Discord. That's the whole idea, boss. So Asia's just popped open. I mean, if we're refusing the inside bar lows, then I just genuinely don't want to enter in and just take it. But we will have to wait and see. Gold has been bearish. I mean, it's been bullish the whole day yesterday. Whoever took it, the trade and held it overnight, congrats. Whoever didn't, who ended up taking the shorts. I personally stopped that at break even. But if you decided to, like, hold it all the way till I sell whatever, I mean, you got a new trim? Nah. Just did my beard. What up, guys? What up, everybody? What up, guys on YouTube?
Trying to do the announcement real quick.
What am I targeting? I'm probably going to target these lows right here, if not even lower, for NQ, or I mean for GC, to push down to these lows as well. So it just depends on what it wants to do. I don't really want to take a trade off of low a day, but I mean, as far as right now, it is looking very bearish, right? And then if we find like a 1 minute inside or something, I would love to take it, but at the current moment right now, I mean, GC, I'm just overall very bearish on it. Just because of the hourly and this, I mean, pretty much this momentum is already picked up for bearish and more than bullish, so.
All right.
It's all about entry right now. It's all about entry. So we know the sentiment, we know where we want to go, or where we could analyze where price wants to go. And next is just finding out your entries. So now we could either wait for an hourly to break it 2 down, put our stops above this high, for example, if it was 30 points or 30 ticks, sorry, with a take profit all the way down at these lows, or possibly even right here. Just going for that 1-to-1, just going for that 1-to-1.5, something like light, nothing crazy. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see.
Do you have a YouTube or something with a full screen? Yes, I do. Yes, on YouTube. I am live on YouTube right now. Link is
Thank you, isn't it? No, this is gold. This is GC,
lagging.
guys. This is GC.
Is it? Is it, or is it just the charts?
Let me check what you guys are seeing. That way I know what everybody's seeing. Come back, everybody. Oh God, you guys are not even seeing. Why is it showing me that you guys are seeing that then? What? There we go. That's a little bit better. Or I could just move this to the right. Hold on, give me a sec, because that is gonna pretty much minus out the whole entire screen for me. So what if I just move it a little bit more to the right?
Shorts here, not yet.
A little bit more.
Not yet. We are refusing to break the 4 hour to the downside right here.
A little bit more.
I do want to wait. I do want to wait.
There we go.
Gold.
That's cool. And YouTube, let me check how you guys are seeing it for you guys
this
as well.
Okay. This is Tradify.
I think I fixed this as well.
They just announced them partnering up with Project X, basically. Cool. This is Tradify. I've been.
If you guys want the full screen, go to the YouTube channel. The link is in my bio for that, and I'll be live in there as well. So
yes, there
everybody's welcome to be on both.
Okay.
15 broke it 2 up. 30 broke it 2 up. Hourly still inside. I'm just waiting for now. Nothing crazy for me to take just yet. So just gonna have to play the patience game and wait a little bit longer to see a good entry and a good setup. But at the moment, there is not much for me to take.
So I'm gonna, since I got,
Cool. Is this live? Yes, this is live. Put my camera a little bit smaller on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Welcome in, everybody. How can you trade this chop? What up? Yo, 9 to 5. Guess what? We got Top Step to verify. We got Top Step to verify the scammer. Let me show you. Top Step literally verified him. I asked Top Step, and then I said, hey, this photo, can you see the express? But when the individual is locking out, it also shows combine. While everything else is grayed out except the express, I'll zoom it in and send you that photo. I sent him that, right? Then it says, he literally said, again, 100K TC is a 100K trading combine. But over here, it shows you express. Crazy. Top Step verified. Again, that's all I'm going to say about this from now on. That's all I got to say. That's it. Did my part. Spread awareness. Did the best I could. You guys do you. Whatever suits you the best. Will they ban him? No. They won't ban him because they have no way for them to find what's your email or anything like that. Like, unless they know your email, you've made that clear or anything like that, then they will ban you, obviously. But I'm pretty much okay. Literally just grab it too and just then just get the freaking thingy for this and then that. Perfect. Done. Pretty easy. What's going on, man? Your mic sounds a little lower on YouTube for some reason. Let me fix that. I got you, boss. Should be better now. It should be better now. I hope so, at least. If it's not, just let me know, and then it should be better, but let me know. And yeah, the 9 EMA is crossing VWAP, so it might shoot up before it comes down. Do you watch? No, I do not. What do you think about Take Profit Trader? Take Profit Trader is actually pretty good. They just haven't let me open an account. Like, here, I'll just show you guys what I mean by that. Give me a sec. Where is my what? Oh, because I have a tab open. Take Profit Trader. So every time I try to go ahead and go through Take Profit Trader, it just doesn't let me log in. I would love to actually trade with them, right? But it doesn't let me log in. It just says reset password. If anybody knows how to solve that issue, please let me know. Reach out to me in my DMs on TikTok. Let me know how you guys solve that issue, because it's just every time I try to open an account, it's just, Anybody that knows how to solve that, please go ahead, reach out to me. My DMs are open. Contact their support. I did actually. I reached out to them. Nothing helped. Didn't change anything. You use my funded futures. I have a couple accounts with them. I haven't traded. I have a couple, but yeah. Yeah, that's the reason why people were telling you, like, hey, hit the lockout and see if it shines. That's probably why. But you could even just go about, refreshing the fucking screen, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, that should be better. There we go. But yeah, a lot of people are gonna be like, hey, refresh it. Now that we're spreading awareness about that, at least people know about that, at least that's the idea. We can't hear ZZ. Yeah, ZZ's doing his own thing right now. He's also live. 15, still really bullish 15, to be honest. So No setup for me yet. Hourly is obviously very bullish, so far very bullish, even though we had this as an inside bar. So far very bullish though. I kind of want to wait it out and see. I mean, if the hourly breaks the 2 up, we could target the 4-hour move up. So we could look for a small scalp. If the hourly inside breaks the 2 up, then we could look for that to kind of compound with the 4-hour to compound to these highs and break all-time highs again, probably. Wouldn't be a bad of a try. I'll probably give it a light size position though. I won't size in heavy, just because of the way that we're kind of just chopping right now. 5-minute broken inside 2 up. Not enough volume to push up to the highs yet. We're near high of day, which is just around here. 71.21, so just about almost a little bit above that is high of day. That's it. Okay, cool. We're about to break that inside. We did break the inside. So if we look for a retracement, I would love to try out longs, but at the moment there is like literally, I would want to take this, but do I even want to take this and move up to here? Put our stops below the inside. I mean, not worth it. To be honest, not worth the risk. Unless we get pullback, then I would like to try it. But at the moment right now, I'm not interested. I'm going to have to wait.
It's the 50K account.
If we get retracement, I'll look to long it. What happened to NASDAQ? I don't know.
You looking fake fine? What does that even mean? What fake fine means? It's Tradeify. It's a Tradeify account.
Yes, I trade the strat. That's what I trade. I trade the strat. So just inside bars, 1s and 2s and 3s. That's simple as that. Just understand those, right? Is there anything can you take some to explain 1s, 2s, and 3s? Yeah, so pretty much inside is basically a candle that doesn't break the highs or the lows. So we see that on the hourly time frame. For example, we have an inside bar. So this does not break the previous candle's highs or lows. That's a 1. That's an inside bar. Now at 2, breaks one direction, so breaks either the top or the low of the previous candle, but not the high or the low of the previous candle, right? So it's just a directional candle. So it's just telling you higher highs and higher lows, or just telling you lower lows and higher lows, right? Etc. Next, 3 is pretty much a break off of 2 both sides. Yo, what's going on, Parkham? Would you show us your balance? No need to know that. Can you refresh? This could be a practice account. Absolutely, I could refresh. See, I'm not no cornball, bro. Here. You know who is though. Even Top Step confirmed it. Even Top Step confirmed it. Yo, bro, I've got a live account. I need another 3.7% profit in order to request a payout and 2 more profitable days. Would you approach this slow or look for one big day? I would, of course, approach slow. In my opinion, just go for slow days. The slower the days, the better. That's another dude. I try my best to follow my plan, Enzo, but again, at the end of the day, I'm a human too. Make mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. We just live by that. Again, we're not perfect. Nobody's perfect. And yeah, just that's the way it is, right? Everybody, again, you know. So of course, sometimes I'll have these days where I'll revenge trade, I'll overtrade, I'll do some stupid stuff like that, to be honest with you. But at the end of the day, all of this goes down into when you're journaling and you're looking at what you're doing wrong. And that's kind of the way we go about it. So that's the way I go about it personally.
Did you try longs?
No, not yet. No.
Not yet?
I wanted to off of the inside hourly, but I just want to wait a little bit longer for me to take this.
Not really.
Yeah.
Seeing the break of the 4 hours to the top side.
You're not? You don't see that?
We could. Since we rejected off the bottom.
Love the account name. Yeah, it's called lock in for a reason, bro. So people could lock in.
There's this 1 minute gives us retracement.
What is it called on MEXC? I genuinely don't know. Them, I wasn't that long. Nice. Got stopped. Oh man, them. That's crazy. It's okay. It's okay. Just kind of, there you go. Like, you made that mistake, right? With whatever happened there. Just sit down and journal that. Oh, okay. Well, my risk was too tight. Next time I need to take a position. I need to give it room, etc., or have my stops because of this, because of that, right? Oh, give me 1 second. I'm getting a call. 1 second. I'm getting a call from my mother.
Project X is made by Topstep. Project X is made by Topstep, by the way, guys. Project X is a broker that Topstep made. So it's just a broker that Topstep is sharing around. It's just like Tradeify or Tradeovate. It's like Tradeovate.
Alright, I am back. Just got a call from my mom, so yeah. I mean, we have a supply here pretty much, so let's see how it does here.
Yeah, I'm waiting here. I have it marked out. Z, you don't like that 5-minute inside bar. Hitting the zone.
I did actually. I wanted to take it so bad, but at the same time, is ICT good? The mentor himself? No.
Discount code for Topstep? No, I don't. Okay, if we pull back, I'm gonna try shorts.
Seriously?
Just a light try. Just kind of scalp it.
I'm a FX trader and profitable on FX. I've had about 20 plus payouts. What advice would you have for me coming into a future space? Might be a hard question. No, it's pretty simple. Just to understand that when you're switching from Forex to futures, you're about to be blessed with a lot of good things. There's a lot of good and not enough bad. Actually, it's like really good that you're going to switch to futures because there's no theta, there's no like time decay, there's none of that you have to worry about. Spread is not something you got to worry about. Any of that you don't have to necessarily worry about anymore. With futures contracts, it's pretty much just buy and a sell. There's nothing else that you have to worry about. Just that. There is obviously a little bit of like skippage, but that's fine. That's not a big deal. As long as you're trading on prop firms, you shouldn't have any issues. And any advice, so someone that has gotten 20 plus payouts through Forex, is start building up that live account, man. Start putting some of that money into a live account where you could go ahead and trade it on your own, you know? Not all of it needs to go through prop firms because a prop firm is here today, gone tomorrow, and, you know, not something you want to depend on. I've explained that multiple times on a like YouTube videos and stuff, and I try to be like as honest as I could with people. But yeah. Bro, light up the express, please. I got you. Easy work. Here, wait. Let me put... oh, fuck. That's the wrong place. Hold on. Give me a sec. Let me make sure I put it the right way. Okay. Is that good enough? Fuck. That's not good. Hold on. How the fuck do they do this shit? Alright. There you go. So now, here, I'll light it up for you. Look. Boom. It lights up. Goofy. No problem. No, just again, if you're swapping, you should be good. Again, you should be like in a better position to trade. It's better. So yeah. They use Tradeify? No, but I'm gonna make a swap very soon to Tradeify. I love that they added Project X, and I love the prop firm. I love the space. I love the way that it feels and everything. Even their Project X platform is a little bit quicker and smoother than Topstep, so I like that about it. Which is surprising, but yeah. Should I TP all-time highs or let it ride? I would say secure some profits and leave some runners. So that's the way I would go about it, but yeah. He likes to leave. Bro, come on, man. yeah, like find the one thing out of the whole fucking sentence. You pick that? Come on. How do you approach all-time highs break retest? I just genuinely hate the fact that it's like, you know, gonna push up, come down, consolidate, push up, come down, consolidate. The only reason I'm not going live on Discord at the same time as a TikTok, because I'm managing TikTok and YouTube at the same time, and imagine on top of that managing Discord. It's just difficult. I don't mind popping in and just putting myself on mute, and if you guys want to watch it, I mean, watch like the charts, that's no big deal. But I'll just be deafened, like I'll be completely deafened. Because I'm trying to manage these two, and you know, it's gonna be difficult. And Q, no, this is gold. What's your YouTube name? The link is in my bio for it. Should be just Turbo Trades. That's the name of the YouTube channel. How's shorts looking? I wouldn't take it yet just because of everything pretty much being very bullish. I would not take it yet. So I want a retracement before I try out longs. I would want maybe a VWAP claim, something like that. In the sorts of us pushing down to here would be nice. Even if it follows, like, I guess that would even follow the orb. So where's the orb? This is the 15-minute orb. You get the 0.5 of that 15 minutes pretty much right here. Where's the VWAP? There you go. So I would want like somewhere here for me to take that, right? And that's the way I would go about it. Especially since we just broke the 4-hour 2-up. Especially. What is ICT? Sorry for the question. I am new. It's Inner Circle Trader. It's the biggest scam that has fucking hit this space so far. So do you manage out those lines? Yeah. It's just pretty much the hourly break of a 2-up, which was right here. That's the line 1. The hourly break of a 2 down, which would be down here. The magnet for the hourly, if I was to take shorts off of this, it would pretty much be down here to push down. And if I was to take longs, then my magnet would be here or here to all-time highs. And that's pretty much it. I guess even to a certain extent, I'd even notice that. But if you notice, if you go on the 15 minutes, it's literally the orb's highs and lows. So, cool. Sometimes when I see that, I'm like, oh, okay, that's actually really cool. I did not know that. But yeah. Time to go to Pakistan. Not now. Maybe I'll go. One day. What does the DOM on the right do for you? I already went over that in the Discord, bro. I explained everything about that. Nothing is wrong with the concepts. I never said anything is wrong with the concepts. I simply said ICT, the mentor himself, is a fraud and is a scammer. And that's a fact. I never said anything wrong about the concepts. Again, I just simply don't like to trade alpha fair value gaps and stuff like that. That's fine. But I've seen very few, compared to the amount of people that trade ICT, to the high, I'm saying, like, it's compared to other trading strategies out there. There is majority of people are trading ICT. 90% of people are trading ICT. And I've seen very few find success, right? Very few. And that's my reasoning behind it. Also, the mentor himself is, you guys know, I mean, if you don't know, then you should do a little bit of research. But that doesn't mean that everybody that trades ICT is a scammer and a fraud. I never claimed that. I never say that. I just said the mentor. And again, to the amount of people that trade this shit, it's like there's a lot of people that trade it, and there's a lot of people that are not profitable, right? That's the way I go about it, right? And if you go look at the mentor himself, the one that's teaching you guys, right? Yeah. Hey, you guys asked me for my opinion. I'm not saying anything, you know? Literally saying you guys asked me for my opinion, so. If you're asking me for my opinion, that's my opinion. Like, you know, crazy work. How do we trade all-time high? I've been trading 6 to 7 months. I've never done this. Any help? Generally speaking, like all-time highs trading, I try to avoid it as much as I could. So if we even break the all-time highs, I'll probably just step away, not take any trades. I'm gonna be honest with you. If we break the all-time highs, then I'm probably just not gonna take a trade. I'm just gonna step away. Where should I backtext? I mean, FX replay, you know, stuff like that. Did he create the FVG? No, he did not create FVG. That's what I'm saying. The concepts, nothing is wrong with the concepts, right? I've never said anything about the concepts themselves, and that, again, to the amount of people that trade ICT concepts, there is very few that find success with ICT concepts, right? There you go. That's a fact. On top of that, the mentor is a fraud. He's a scammer. You know that. And if you don't know that, you need to do some research on your mentor. And then that way you do know about that. So.
All right, we broke the 4 hour to the top side here.
Watched all ICT. Yeah, we did, yeah. I don't want to talk about this. I'm not in the mood for it, to be honest.
Discount code top service dash today. Found 0 job. It cannot be saved. 100. It could be, but it's gonna take a long time. Lost my fun on that trade. What? How?
The 4 hours looking beautiful so far. Even a break of a 2 up. It looks amazing. Just no pullback yet for me to test out the longs that I want to enter into. Just no pullback yet. So if it comes up to the all-time highs, that pretty much hits the magnet or the target that I'm looking for. So I just can't jump in this. But 4 hour inside, break of a 2 up on the 4 hour time frame. So yeah. Thoughts on Alpha so far? Goated. I requested a couple payouts from them and they're awesome. Doing good. I got my payout in like literally less than like 24 hours. I requested it like a night before and then got it the next day. They're actually really good. What do you think about Tradeify? They're good. Again, I requested a payout from them too. Got it. With the 0 plan, yeah.
Break the veil to the top side. Really? Oh. Yes. This is the.
Does TJR's strategy work? Don't know, man. I don't really know what his strategy is for me to talk about it. Of a battle rip all-time high. Yeah, that's the problem. It fucking breaks it. There it is.
Not yet.
Almost, pretty much. It's like edging it. At that point, it's gonna break it. You know, BB Trading. I've heard about them. I heard they trade live, so I think they're goated. I think they're two dope people because they trade live. You know. How much did you risk for that trade, Turbo? Which trade? I haven't taken any trades yet. Have you heard of Jay Dunn?
So do you think I should start
to be honest. Is that the one that goes on YouTube? I mean on
Trap.
TikTok, sorry? Jay Dunn. I think I've seen him. Hold on. Before I look at that. Jay Dunn. Jay Dunn trades.
Jaden, it's the black guy. We rated on the YouTube.
No.
It's not?
It's not. No. He looks Hispanic or white. This guy doesn't seem. I don't know about. I don't look at like. I'm generally like. I apologize, but I don't look at traders like that, right? Like for me, when sometimes I'm on live, like I just get on TikTok and I'm scrolling and I just see somebody and I'm like, oh okay, I just spam like roses or some shit, and that's it. So I generally don't know much about traders like that and know about them that much for me to speak about them, right? I don't know. So, yeah. Trades Aubrey test W. And Q with the rejection.
Go to the top side here.
Jade Cap is OP. I don't know, man. I don't know many people for me to speak about them in a bad or a good way. Just don't want to say, no, you're goated. He's the GOAT. 9 to 5 trader is a GOAT. I've seen him. I've seen him pop in and I've seen him trade live. And, like I show love to the ones that are transparent and honest. That's what I care about the most. Because I think if you're trading, the best you could do is just be transparent. Whether you're losing or you're winning. That's the way to go about it. Why not go longs on the break of all-time highs? Why would I go longs off the break of all-time highs when I clearly, like I saw the setup down here, I didn't trust it enough. Like 5 minute inside, broke it 2 up and would clean pretty much to push up. So, yeah. Just gonna have to wait, especially since NQ is kind of already rejecting. 1 minute. is
4 hours
showing that
bearish
weakness.
on NQ, hourly's bearish, 30s pushing back, going back up.
Let me see this 3-minute. The 3-minute is not closing the best. Let's see how it does after the break of all-time highs. I genuinely don't want to trade after the break of all-time highs, but if there's a clean setup, I'll take it. Just going to be sized in lighter, or top step will be extremely tight. Have you heard of Callisto? No.
Just waiting for now. There's nothing to take.
Only person that I could speak really good about is is Nitro. Nitro Trades. He's joined the live multiple times. He's goated. Awesome guy. I have, talked to him multiple times, and I think he's amazing. I think he's awesome. He trades ICT, by the way. Keep that in mind. Just saying. Rips is the man. I don't know who that is, man. It's shining. Do you think everyone should journal if you want to be profitable? Yeah. If you want to be profitable, then absolutely you should journal. Anybody that wants to be profitable in the market should absolutely journal. A lot of sells over here. Wow. All right.
W's.
I'm trying out shorts here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try out shorts over here. I want a reclaim push down to break those 4-hour lows. Risky position, risking only 500 on it. You guys saw, obviously, yesterday I was risking what? More than that, obviously. But I am looking for a 1 to 3 RR, so that would be just about here. Yeah, just looking for it to come down, retest the lows off the 4 hours. Risky because we're gonna break the all-time highs, possibly continue pushing up. That's the risk part. But I am shorts on gold right now. How can you guys... Oh, why does it not show the emblem over here? What? What the fuck? Huh. Again, it could be risky because we pretty much will break the all-time highs and then it just kind of continues to push up. But I'm willing to try this to go shorts.
Break the downside. 5 minute looks good.
Yeah. Looks awesome. So, just looking for 1500. We'll have to see. Secure maybe half of the position at VWAP 5, or yeah, secure maybe like 5, 6, 7. So yeah, secure 7 cons here, and then we'll see about the rest. He picked up. They picked up on us at 6, 7. What are you drinking? Matcha. Broke. Blew one of my fundeds for being greedy. Crazy work, dude. 6, 7. Fruity I drink. Bro, you don't gotta hate, man. What the fuck? It's matcha.
Gang, it's just a retreat. We'll see.
Oh God, let me drink in peace, bro. What's wrong with matcha, bro?
It's basically a 2 is a...
I am a matcha da. Bro said matcha. Yeah, matcha, bro. You don't like matcha? I'm gonna put my take profits a little bit lower than VWAP actually. I'm gonna put my take profits like a little bit lower than VWAP because I do see this pushing down to these lows. So 7. Whoa! Stop moving. Hey, stop resisting. Where is it? 3, 7, 18 is where I want to actually secure majority. Whoa, nice projections on gold here. 18 on the dot is where I want to secure majority instead. So I'll go ahead and limit buy 2 more over here. The reason why I'm saying that, I'll go ahead and explain that. On the DOM, if you're on the YouTube, on the DOM, you will obviously see there's 432 orders sitting there, or at least that was being placed at that level. That was being placed, historically speaking, that was being placed at that level. So I want to go ahead and secure profits at that level in case we go ahead and have a bounce off of that. So that's why. But yeah, W signal, W. Unsubscribing, I heard if they heard Matcha. Come on, man. Matcha's goated. Matcha's goated, bro. It's just same level right here we kind of had. I'm looking for a retracement down to push lower. Again, risky position to whoever taking this, risky position because obviously we are near the all-time highs. So just understand that. Yes. Oh, I need to go ahead and put that up here real quick. Okay, cool. If you guys are on YouTube, matcha. I'm drinking Imperial Jasmine Dragon Peril Tea. How many? What? Dude, you crazy. Secured my first payout. Thank you, boss. Don't like signaling, but only need 3 points. W, man. Hey, that's good, man. As long as you took it just off of obviously what you saw, not just what I saw, and that's it. I genuinely don't understand why you're going that low on this trade. I mean, I see it coming down there, man. If you don't, genuinely speaking with you, don't take it, or just, you know, be careful. Obviously, I explained my take profits on the YouTube channel. You can go back and check exactly where I explained it. Matcha's coming to an end. 22 ticks here. Once we hit $500 in profit, I'll go break even. So that would be pretty much, that would be down over here at these lows. So once we hit this, I'll go break even. Once we hit the yellow line, I'll go break even. How are you down 1800? The market just barely like opened up, dude. What the fuck? How y'all be down so much? Like the market just opened up and you're already down a lot of money. What the fuck? 1800 already down, dude? AM session? Oh, okay. I was gonna say the market just opened, man. Damn. I mean, hey, if, you know, I'm down 20K. What the fuck? Crazy work. A lot of orders are coming in on the DOM. I mean, time of sale, sorry, for buys. So I'm expecting a retracement here to push back up. Potentially, again, if it breaks the all-time highs, then we would want to kind of cut this out. But I'm going to minimize my risk on this position. If we break this low, then I'll go break even. Just because I'm not liking the follow through we're getting. Up 8,000 this week so far. W human. Just kind of waiting for now. This is Asia, so you get to chat with people and hang out and, you know, stuff like that. That kind of stuff. So I would want a good rejection from here. If we come down to these lows, I would want a nice bearish rejection from here. But yeah, we'll have to see. One minute inside, broke it to up. Again, not really liking it as much, to be honest. Being completely transparent, I'm not liking it as much just because we're not getting the follow through that I'm looking for, and we kind of are at a demand right here. But once we break these lows, I'm gonna go break even. Excuse me, sorry. Have you been looking? How long you been looking for a trade? About 40 minutes now. I've been on the charts and I'm in a trade. What are we doing, gold? The fuck? Why does it do that? Alright, there's the spike again. Kind of the same shit happening again. So if we get that volatile spike, then I'm only risking 300 on this position either way. I'm not trying to risk more. Kind of knife through this, then at that point, this is just more of a pullback to continue those longs, and I'm not going to trade that. So that's why. How'd you know how to short there? Pretty much inside broke into a down destiny tree. I would want it to come down to these lows, but obviously, I mean, we're like NQ. What is NQ doing? Let me check. NQ pushed a lot lower than GC did, so. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. If it breaks the all-time highs, I do want to exit. I don't want to like have this, you know. But answer my question, please. What's going on?
That's crazy.
The pullback? Yeah.
Yeah.
Or it could be, we could have been caught in the pullback, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
We could have been one of the people that got caught in the pullback.
Yeah. Hour is closing in like 15.
Yeah. I would wait. I mean, let's see how it does, how many contracts. I'm in with 15. I don't really like to size in so heavy. At least not with this right now. Not at the current place it's at. Yesterday, I pretty much took 20 cons, but with the current market right now, ISO raise, what is that? I don't know what the fuck that is, bro. I don't care about no ISO router token. Genuinely don't give a fuck about that, bro.
Okay, 1 minute inside.
Micros, yes.
See if we can break to the downside and continue that push.
I'm trying to ask you for 5 minutes now. What are you trying to ask me? No name why put a limit order in the middle of my trade and moves in my what? I don't know what the hell you mean by that. 15-minute doji? Is it actually a doji? Is it bearish? Oh god, I don't like that. I do not like that, but okay. Just like always, we're already in a position, then, you know. Yo, you gotta ask me the question. You can't just say I gotta ask you a question, then you don't ask me the question. You gotta ask me the question. What's the question? You can't just... Heard you got exposed. Is it true? I mean, hey, let them expose me. Whatever they got going on, I could, you know, bonk them. Nobody could expose me, buddy. I show the truth.
Get exposed for what? For being real?
Yeah, I guess so.
Nowadays, people get exposed for being real too.
Go on meme coin, make your own coin a rug pool. That's exactly how you catch a lawsuit.
W's.
Time frame, 1 minute time frame. Hater? Hey, I'm not hating. Top Step confirmed it, Kevin. Top Step confirmed that he's a cornball, bro. I've seen him. I've seen you in his lives. So Top Step confirmed he's a cornball, and you're falling for it, bro. You don't gotta be upset at me. Here, I'll show you. I have messages right here. Hold on. You think I'm lying, Kevin? Here, I'll show you messages. I'll show you messages. And at that point, if you don't believe it, it's on you. At that point, if you don't believe it, it's on you. This is with Top Step's team right here. This is with Top Step's team right here, buddy. Right there. Can't see that, bro. Again, you could join the general chat. You'll see. He literally called him out. He literally said, yep, this is confirmed to be a 100K combine, and he is falsifying it. He is perceiving an express while trading a combine. So, all right. If I'm a hater, then I'm just a hater.
Settings.
That's how you feel, bro.
The settings,
it is what it is.
Privacy settings, and you hide it from there.
It is what it is. You try to help, but you can't help everybody. So, yeah.
So it would have hit our break even, but I didn't move it to break even yet. I would have crashed.
Let's see if it breaks these lows. I'll go break even.
Because my entry is a little bit higher than yours, I think.
My entry is at 3.723.9. 3723.9. If it breaks these lows, guys, I'm gonna go break even on this. This is gold. This is gold. I'm going break even on this. Strategy, I trade the Strat by Rob Smith. The Strat, that's the name of it. The Strat by Rob Smith.
So I mean,
If we break these lows, we fail
refusing
it, then
break,
yeah.
man.
I
We're
don't want to
refusing
like
these levels.
get caught in a basically a way of it pulling back, and if it does not break these lows, then I mean, as in clearly break it, then I don't want to be in this mess. I would rather
So
get out that break even.
We broke a 15 to the downside, but we're failing that direction. How does that even make sense?
Got out break even. How am I down $3? What? Damn, that's crazy. Sad he's gone. Yeah, he's gone. So again, pretty much 15 inside, break 2 down. I wanted the pullback, but I would rather wait for now for a little bit before I take entries into a position. I would rather get more confirmation before I take entries. But I do like this. It's just the break of the daily. Kind of resisted that. We kind of double topped right here. So I'm going to wait for price to kind of take that double top out and then come down, and then we'll see from there. But I would want to see price kind of break this right here, and then that's it. Can't see red on the screen. Yeah, man. Is this financial advice, mate? No. None of this is financial advice. I'm not accepting people up here, boss.
Is this top step? No. Tradeify.
No more macho, guys.
What do you mean?
Thought you were bullish. I am overall bullish, but since we break the all-time highs, then I'm just sadly not going to be able to take it anymore.
Still in it. Just edge my break even again.
Why do people say it's not financial advice? Simply because you get sued for that. So that's why we say that. My fees got me too. Yeah, man. Those fees are crazy, Jay. Why not? Again, you can get sued for that, so that's why.
To make a day on a cycle where I only make.
Leave macho for girls.
200 is good,
bro.
200 is good. You get consistent.
Alright, I hope this 1 minute stays inside. Okay, cool. Broke a 2 up. Let's see. Broke a 5-2 up. Does it break the all-time highs? Because I would want to see us break the all-time highs here. I would ideally want us to break the all-time highs. Let me see on Q real quick. Yeah. I would hope that it breaks the all-time highs here. And that's the all-time highs right here. So hopefully this 3 minute kind of breaks high day again and then decides to give us that bearish retracement. Is this financial advice? No. None of what I say or do is financial advice. No. Here.
Yes, this is Asia right now. We're trading Asia. Just broke above the trend line, the 1 minute. I think I was also back at this. One minute is good, but I don't know. We're resisting the lows and the highs here. We're failing to break the highs. We're failing to break the underneath the lows. It's just
there you go. I hope that helps.
Consolidating right now in this range.
Since clearly some people lack common sense, I hope that helps. Oh, let me make sure I put live trading GC. Or, sorry, MGC.
Possibly.
Whoa. Too small for you? Here, I hope that
Taking
helps.
quick scalps today, so not worried.
We are really showing resistance to these highs, so...
No, but he's in a call with me. Turbo Trade's in a call with me. We're in a call.
I really do like this, Z. I'm gonna give it another shot. 2 shorts.
I'm
This
still
is
in
going
shorts.
to be another position I'm taking for shorts. Again, I really do like this. If we can possibly come down towards the, where is it? Not the 4 hour, it's the hourly. We could even potentially come down to these lows if we fail to break the all-time highs. Let's see.
5 minute fell 2 up on the 5.
Trend is your friend. Yeah, man, trend is my friend, absolutely. What do you do when you're trying to catch a reversal? Do you trend is your friend, Chase? Yeah.
Guys, make sure. So I have with Tradeify, it gives you the book map 2, level 2. So the people on YouTube now, they can see it on the side, on the right side. If you want to see the whole screen, go on the YouTube. Link is in the bio, guys. Link is in the bio. Keep tapping on the screen, guys, and if you are new
I'll
here,
take
drop
out
a
at
follow.
500 in profit probably. Genuinely, like speaking, I really want to see us come down to the freaking hourly lows. And I'm speaking like this might come overnight.
Why are you resisting here so much?
This might happen overnight, so I may hold this position. Maybe. Just depends. We'll see how it does. But at the current moment, like, I do want to see gold retrace down. We pushed the all-time highs yesterday. Today, so far, we're refusing to push the all-time highs.
Equal highs on the day.
Yeah, that's what's kind of concerning for me right now. But the daily just kind of pushed the 2 up. It's not, doesn't have the craziest wick to the downside. Huh? Yeah, I wanted to break. Like, I genuinely wanted to break and then give us a retracement. Give us a move down bearish. So I'm not surprised if it does break. That's why I'm taking it with a little bit more room. Or I'm giving it more room, sorry. I would go about even maybe here, wait. I'm going to buy back 2 contracts just so I could reduce my stop loss to here. 27.5, yeah.
Tap the time frame, bro. It's
And
right
that way,
there.
if we
Time
come
frame
down
is
here,
right
that's the
there.
idea.
Time frame is right there for you people that know how to use the charts. Please understand. This is the tick right here, MGC, and this
What
is the time frame.
is the clown's TikTok? I generally don't know what the clown's TikTok is. Oh, that clown, he's... I'm not gonna give him the clout that he's chasing, but, you know, the people that are falling for him, you cornballs, you deserve it. Can I give some hair advice? Just literally, you know. Yeah. Pretty much.
That's not the 1 hour, fam. If you think this is the 1 hour, you're tripping.
I want it to come down to the 700 Z.
This is the hourly.
I want
That's the
GC to
1
come
minute.
down to the 700s.
Well, that's fine. My full TP is at 719.1. My partial is at...
Oh wow, your side's been heavy on this.
Yeah.
How much? How many contracts? 20. Oh, okay. I'm with 13 here. I'll just stream for you. Give me a sec. Wait, I'll show you what I mean. So the idea is that we come down to these lows. I mean, potentially. What the fuck? Why am I lagging so bad? Oh god, I forget. It's because I'm streaming on Discord. Z, I'm sorry, no stream for you, bro. My computer started lagging. I'm lagging. Oh wait, no, my bad. I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. Let's see how this hourly closes. Maybe I'll add more, move my stops down lower. I just genuinely want to see us take out these highs before we get that retracement.
Literally risking 140
Lagging.
to make 1,000.
But I'm looking for Z. I'm looking for a retracement down to 700s on the dot. Oh, there's a break of all-time highs. There's a break.
Nice.
There is the break.
W's.
What's your strategy? I trade the strat. It's called the strat. Told ya. Yeah, that's fine, man. Again, I'm happy that it did this actually. Genuinely happy. And even if I get stopped out, I'm still happy, man. That's
And
fun
that's
to me.
why we sized them light on this.
Yeah.
That's why we sized them light.
It's called The Strat. It's literally called The Strat. By Rob Smith. R-O-B Smith. The Strat by Rob Smith.
Why are you shorting all-time highs? Why not? Why not? Tell me why not.
What's the difference if I get an express? Pretty much you pass the account and then they give you an express. When you pass the account, they give you an express. Can you show your monthly average of, what's my monthly average? Depending on the account size that I'm trading, but averaging last month was 10 to 15. I did hit 20K months and I've showed those pretty much on live with you guys, but those accounts or that account is, stuff happens, bro.
That's why we're sizing light, so that's fine. We could just make that the loss.
Funded or options? I'm on a funded account. I do trade options. I have a Webull account. That's what I like to trade options on. And Thinkorswim. Do you copy trade? Yes. This is a 50K. Yes. I'm going to move this here a little bit more to the right. That way you guys are able to see it better. Here. Maybe that helps. Oh, right above the camera. That's better. Oh. Like that. There you go. Cool. Cool. All right, new hourly here. It's gonna stop us. Yep, stopped me here. Holy rip. Holy rip. How come you don't do 150Ks? I do. I have a couple 150Ks. I was already trading with you guys. And yeah, what's your maximum loss? 2,000 pretty much. That's the maximum I'm willing to lose on a trade, and that's it. Want to try shorts again? Possibly yes. More than likely yes, but we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. Stop staring at me. I'm getting shy. It's crazy. What up? What up? What up? Wow, gold. I guess that was liquidity, guys.
You're getting fucking stop hunted right now.
On a prop firm is crazy. I would try out shorts again, pretty much the same place. If we break this 2 down, I'll try out shorts. Because I really do want to see this push down. Pretty much, especially since now we broke the all-time highs, which is what I wanted to kind of get out of the way. Good. And then now we kind of get that retracement back down. But yeah. Why fight the trend? I don't like to trade bullish at all-time highs. I'm not very into that. But if we break this 2 down, then I'm in for shorts to push lower. Especially with gold overnight, I would want to see it pushing lower. I did break the 2 down. All right, I'm in. I am in. I am in. It did break the 2 down. I'm in. Alright, if this breaks out of that, then I want to get stopped out. So that's the idea. And then we will secure it at about here. So yeah, we'll have to see.
Do you know if Tradify is the same payout as Top Step? Yeah.
This is the idea behind the trade. Again, same short, same level, we just, want to see at the same place, kind of retrace down 20 ticks right here.
Tracing back to the same level, dude. I might try out longs.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's too early for shorts, I think.
I'll try it out for now. I'll give this a shot and then we'll see after. Just lost 250. Yeah, that's fine, man. Not the end of the world, dude. Again, manage risk to what you feel comfortable risking. Obviously, like it has saying up there, and this is not financial advice. So, yeah, none of what I trade or do trade is, should be copied. In other words, but if you do, then of course understand that it's not financial advice. Let me reply to this text message real quick. Okay. All right, cool.
Man, this is stupid. This is stupid.
I love how it
Second
stopped
edge.
me just to do that, but that's cool.
Second
Whatever, man.
fucking edge, man. Second edge. That's crazy work.
Nice push down so far on gold. Awesome push down. View app, so be careful here if you're in this. Be very careful if you're in this. Understand that it's risky. Understand that it's risky.
It's a Tradeify account.
Trading Bitcoin, yeah. Alright, go on my stops to break even here. Stop loss to break even here, guys, for me. I want us to continue pushing down. If we don't, then obviously I want to get out. Stops to break even here. Stop loss to break even here.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. So I was here. Let's go. Yeah, I'll just like I said, just quick scalps. That means that you can see in your face. There we go. Let me put that down a little bit. There you go.
Already. I'm not. I was just doing something. I was looking over something, so that's why. Hey, man. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into everybody. You don't want to push these lows, gold? Or what? Goldie, Goldie, where are you? How I wonder if you are where you are. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but yeah, type stuff. Type of this stuff.
Yeah, basically. Got the right idea, but just not the best entry on that earlier. But we've been trading all day, ain't no way. Not all day, no. Thank you. Do you do futures? I'm on futures right now. Are you on a 50K count? Yes, I am.
We would want it to come down towards lower day, which is the idea behind this trade, but so far it's kind of refusing that. So just know that it could continue to pump up from here. If you guys want to secure some profits, feel free to secure it. If you guys don't want to, then obviously you don't have to. But at the current moment where I'm currently standing right now, I genuinely, want to hold. That's just what I do. But if you feel like securing it, secure some profits. Don't feel, bad when it hits break even. Or if it hits break even.
How you use
What are your thoughts on Park and Trey? He's good. I mean, there's nothing wrong with Park and Trey. He's a goat.
I don't need indicators to trade. I just trade purely out price action. candlesticks and levels, key levels.
How do you sign up with the server? The link is in my bio for that, man. Parkham is goated. I mean, hey. No one could expose me, bro. Just saying. Nobody could expose this. Let me show you something. I'm not the cornball mentor that people are falling for. Not me. You're confusing me with someone else, buddy. You're confusing me with somebody else. Show it again. I didn't see. Sure, here. I'll just move this and then just do that. Here, how about that? How about this? And how about I click that and then you, yeah, pretty much. But watch this trade hit full TP. Let's see. Come on, Goldie. Come down to Funky Town. 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 Where's TP at? It is sitting at 16 on the dot. 3716. There, 3716 on the dot. That's where I have my take profits. 3716 is where my take profits is at. Okay, nice spike. Give us the better spike, man. Give us a better spike, Gold. Come down to Funky Town. Come down to Papa. Yeah, there you go. Come down to Papa.
How much you booking on that trade?
1,000.
W's.
Come down to Funky Town. Come down to Funky Town. Come down to Funky Town.
Tradify.
Come on, Gold.
This is Tradify.
Don't do that. Don't do that. There, I just put my full TP there. That way it's better for you guys.
Are you going to go for longs? I'm waiting.
Come down to Funky Town. Come down to Funky Town. Oh, sadly, yeah, I got stopped out. I could have literally held it, but sadly I got stopped out. It is what it is. Again, if you don't feel comfortable in holding this, please feel free to exit. I am holding. I got no worries. I worry about none. I worry about none. I ain't worry about none.
No, that's wild work. Think I'm gonna hate cause I'm down and my buddy's making money? What? That's crazy work. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait and see an actual setup that I really, really like, and I'll take that.
Gold doesn't need to do all this mess, so I'll move my stops right here now. Once we close this candle, I'll move my stops to that low, basically. You're not targeting 700 anymore. Not with this trade. I'll probably take it overnight. I'll probably take that position overnight, and I'll make sure to post it on Discord.
Not hating, like, felt out of feeling you had the same bias. No, that's fine. It's okay.
5 minutes is still... I don't know what the fuck it's doing.
I wasn't expecting that massive of a sell right there. I wanted to see it move, but not a massive sell. They have a line funded? Yes, they do.
Yeah. It's kind of annoying how the 5 is so far. Not giving us that 2 down that we want. There you go. Nice. That's good volume right there. Alright, moving my stops here now. I genuinely don't want to see us battle out the 5-minute highs, pretty much. If we do, I want to exit immediately. So, getting my stops tighter here pretty much now. We just want to wait for it to come down to these lows. What indicator told you to get into a trade? Parkham's indicator. Parkham's indicator. That's the one. Break the lows. Come on. Bro, come on, Gold, man. What the fuck? 7 seconds, bro. Come on, man. You don't need to be doing none of that. None of that. None of that bullshit. Yeah, he's goated. What? Bro, did you guys not see the fucking trade that he took? Yesterday.
It's like 375.
Did you guys not see the trade that he took yesterday? Come on,
Yes,
guys.
I am.
He's actually good. Like you, and
Disappointed, man.
a lot of people are hating on him, whatnot, but he's actually fucking goated, yo. He's actually fucking goated, yo. I genuinely want to see this come break the fucking lower day, man. I genuinely want to see this come break the fucking lower day, man. I don't see any reason for us to push up from here other than just a fucking VWAP claim. And that is obviously fairing. Like it's not showing me the bullish price action that I want, even though it's getting those push-ups. It's not having that follow through. So I want us to come down to these fucking lows and even lower actually, but you know, these lows would be perfect. And that's it. You know what I mean? So where's 1,000? This would be 1,000. Okay. So let's do the snowball effect that we used to do before. Again, genuinely speaking, for me, if I was anybody that is, again, if you care about your money and you don't want to hit break even on the trade, you could just move him here.
I want to.
He switches biases a lot, but it works for him. Hey, switching biases a lot. There's nothing wrong with that, right? ZZRU and Park him chill. ZZRU and Park him chill.
Who?
Park him trades. Park him trade.
I don't watch him.
Doesn't watch him. Z gotta be one of those cool kids, you know? Do you hold positions overnight? Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I do.
I really
this
do want my
position
top
probably
to
not.
those loads, man.
Come on, gold. Stop goofing around.
Just a bad entry.
There you go. There you go. Come on. Do we get it?
So far.
Do we get it? Do we get it? Do we get it?
So good.
Do we hear it? What kind of edge is that? What the fuck? Gold. I'm not ZZ. I am not Z. Gold.
Yeah, I did want to.
I'm not ZZ.
I wanted to have, but I would have stopped us anyways. So.
Hey. What the fuck?
It's a Tradeify account.
I'm not ZZ.
It's a Tradeify account.
Hey. Slow down now. I'm not Z. I am not Z.
Slow. I mean, could be difficult to recover it, but take it slow.
You don't need to be doing that, gold. I'm not Z. Yes. Grr.
Gotta wait.
I'm not Z. Yo. Tech Daniel, what did I do, bro? Did I hit someone you care about and not pay them? You creaming, gold. On God, you creaming, gold.
So we got 300 left. 300 left.
That's crazy, bro. That's wild.
300 left.
I'm not ZZ, bro, but it's streaming like ZZ right now. Come down!
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't pay that. Don't pay that.
Seriously, gold? We're gonna do this?
Yeah, I did.
There you go. There you go. Calm down. Calm down. If it stops me out here, I'm out. Alright, and I'm out. And I'm out. And I'm out. And we're up 500 on the day. And I'm out. Double use. Double use. Again, shorts. I was really aiming for the shorts from here. But yeah. Crazy how gold doesn't want to do that though. It's crazy. From being down 500 to being up 500.
Just give it some time. Give yourself some
Good
time.
day.
Give trading some time.
W trade. Should I pop in on my other express and trade this express? Because, you know, we got plenty. And it does. It does luck out. It does, but I'm just saying. Bro, you're happy ZZ looks sad? Hey, ZZ made his choice, yo. He sees what he sees. I catch losing trades. He catches losing trades. I catch winning trades. He catches winning trades. Come on. Nice, bro. W's. I got stopped out on that crazy spike up. Yeah, man, me too. I'm disappointed in it because, again, I didn't want to see it push up that high. You obviously saw. If anybody did not see on the YouTube, please, you guys can watch the YouTube video and just go back and see what exactly happened. But, yeah, that's fucking spike stopped me out on the first position and then just re-entered pretty much off the break of a 2 down. Same level, just, you know. Yeah. Do you prefer to trade expresses separately, not copy trading them? Not really into it, bro. Not really into copy trading them, to be honest with you. I've seen people do that, but yeah. Are you gonna trade again? Help me pass when I funded. Let's see. Now, the way I approach trading expresses and just trading in general is I usually go for higher RR after I catch a winning trade. So, for example, since I'm already up 515 right now, if I do take... Oh, there's TP, by the way. If I do take another position, then I will more than likely take a $1,000 risk position for like a $2,000-$3,000 take profits just because I could use the profits that I already have and compound on them. If that makes sense. We're about that. We're about that. W, thanks. WWs. Let me run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. Let me put my phone on charge too.
السلام عليكم شباب. السلام عليكم يا شباب.
Oh, no. Stop. Drop. I don't know where the fuck is the outlet. Oh, no. I genuinely don't know where the fucking outlet is at. But, let me show y'all something. I'm gonna just put my fucking phone on that side, yo. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in here. Dubs.
What's good with Z, bro?
What's good with Z?
Taking 20 L's tonight. I'm not. This is why I don't trade.
POV, that payout hit. POV, that payout hit. What? Alright, we're locking. You gotta hide it with the blicky. You think it's prop money, bro? Nuh-uh. We ain't doing that. Shit out of Chase. A silly named Turbo Trades. With attitude. He has a real express because he could refresh and it stays not shining. Ooh. But if he had a fake one, then it would just somehow shine like this because it's just a photo that people put on their TikTok. Because a lot of people don't understand how TikTok works and how people get ripped off is they put an image. They just put an image and what? Nah, just messing around, guys. I'm waiting for another position for now, but yeah, we just gotta wait. Thanks, close plus 500. W, awesome. Nice wrap though.
Saw what I was sending in your chat earlier?
What were you sending in my chat?
Dude, I was asking you if you were lagging, bro.
Yeah, I'm getting lag sometimes. Z and longs already. I mean, valid position. Nothing wrong with that. Very valid position, to be honest.
That's
A very valid position, to be honest. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna have to wait for a little bit.
I'm gonna wait to go
Yeah.
shorts on BC.
He knows, and I know he knows. What? Day 16 to asking touch tips. Interesting request from Zizi. I don't know if he'll approve. I generally don't know if he'll approve. Let me just jump into the Discord real quick. Let me see how everybody's doing. Make sure he's muted on. I'm gonna go on the call real quick with everybody in there real quick. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, how y'all doing? What, you got stopped out on the first one, huh? Yeah. Oh god. Yeah. 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 Maybe. Oh my god. That's, you know, the 5 minutes. I was gonna try out shorts from there, but then, you know, luckily didn't go and do that. Yeah. Ping pong. At the moment, it's just ping pong. So like longs is very valid right now, but I would want to wait and not just rush the trade. I would want to wait for it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right, I'll go back. I won't bother you guys. Go back. How's the challenge going so far? W. Okay. Let me know. Keep me posted on what happens and how you guys, end the day. W. Awesome. Yeah, that sounds good. Cool. All right. Let me know. Love you guys. Let's go. All right. Hello. Hey, YouTube. I am back. Fully back to you guys. Okay, cool.
Bro, what was that?
Let's go. That's my introduction when I join in. Trade simply love it. It's 3:30 in the morning. Damn, man, that's crazy. And you're up right now. It's 3:30 in the morning. You're up just trading or watching charts. Crazy work. I'm still holding on to this shorts. You're crazy, dude. But I mean, generally speaking, overnight we could see a retracement on gold to come down to these lows. I may overnight this. Maybe I'll look for an overnight position on gold because Monday kind of broke the all-time highs. See Tuesday pullback or Tuesday consolidation, then maybe Wednesday pullback. Maybe that, right? But looks good for longs. Yo. That cannot be the real ZZ. There's no way that's the real ZZ. Oh, what the fuck? Someone's trying to pretend to be him. Finn, come on, bro. Lock in, Finn. Come on, Finn. It's not. Nah, it's not. You had me crashing out for that. I was like, there's no way that's the real ZZ. Z Wildin after that loss. Yeah, that's fine. We take losses. We take wins, man. It is what it is. Stuff happens. Something in the way. Yes, this is the only account, and there's an alt account from me, and it's also pretty much, it has my account linked to it. It's just Turbo Trades ICT, and the ICT is there because of the jokes that we make about ICT. And that's the only two accounts I have. But as long as you're on this account, then you should know that I do not reach out to you on TikTok. I will never reach out to you on TikTok. The simple reason for that is because, again, stuff like that could happen where scammers can get in touch with you guys and then pretend to be me. And, entry off a fair value gap. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, sure. Whatever you say, bro. Something in the way. 7-11 is good TP for shorts. 7-11? 6-7 is good for shorts. Okay. Alright, cool. Cool. Are you on a live account? This is a prop firm account that I'm on right now. Gotta do something to make bread. Want to spread the money just like you. You got this, man. You got this, dude. Great stream. Thank you. 15 closed all right. Not bad, to be honest. I like it. Just not really trusting it because of the whole wick that we had over here. So I just want to be patient a little bit. I don't want to get caught in the top wick of the 30 minutes just because the hourly is a little bit bearish, closing or breaking a 3 bar. So a little interesting. What symbol is this? This is gold. I'm pretty sure there's a way for me to go ahead and default that somehow. Give me a sec. Let me see if there's a way. There we go. All right, you guys can see the symbol name right here. My 8-year-old and I love watching you in the evenings. Hope he's better than me in a few years. Hey, hopefully he gets, hopefully he gets up there, boss. Hope we could make that change for him, man. Hope he gets better. I hope, you teach him the best. And I hope the best for both of you, obviously, right? We still can't see the symbol. What the fuck? Oh, maybe if I just need to move this. Give me a sec. Something in the way. Alright, that should show the symbol. Oh, Mo, he deleted my comment. I sent him the comment of what Top Step said about him. He deleted it. It's good now? Awesome. Perfect. That's cool. So far the 15 is pushing up nice. The 5 is pushing up nice. Let's see this 1 minute. May give a shot to shorts. This time with 20 contracts. Stops tighter and then targeting a 1-to-1. I'll be risking pretty much the profits, about half, maybe even like the profits, to make back double pretty much. Depending on how this 1 minute closes, I'll look for that because the 30 is going to come to push it 2 down. Okay. Don't push down like that. Close off as a shooter. That's awesome. Close at VWAP. Getting ready for an entry, guys, here. So risky position, but I'm willing to give it a shot. All right, I'm in. 4 shorts right here. I'm looking for a bearish kind of move down to target a 1-2-2. Get rid of all my drawings to these lows. Awesome. Yeah, so break these lows, come down. That's the idea. Why enter shooter, break a 2 down, target new lows. Pretty much want to see a 30 break a 2 down, push lower, and that's it. I'm risking the profits. So again, I am risking the profits. I have the profits to play with. If you don't have the profits to play with, size and light, right? I would ideally want to see us push this 32 down and come down to these lows. So I'll just secure it at 1,000 personally, but I would want to see us come down to these lows. I mean, lower than that. I'll just draw out a line of what lows I'm talking about. So far, nice retracement off of right now. Do we hit our break-even mark right now? And then we can go ahead and move our stops to break-even. I'll secure 10 at those lows at my break-even, and I'll secure the rest at these lows. Or I'll just secure at the hourly low, which is what I'm looking for. Something in the way. Okay, come on. Gold, you don't need to be doing all that, bro. Come down and retest. Come down and retest. Come on. Calm down. More. We tapped VWAP, gave a shooter, entry, push down. GC. I am trading GC. You can see that right here. Go ahead, Goldie. Go break even. And we should be able to go break even off of this next candle. Nope, not yet. All right, go and break even on this. I do not want to see it two up. I want to see us come down. Because the 5 minute does not have a wick, so please be aware of that. 5 minute has no wick, so I want us to come down. Otherwise, I want to get out. 5 minute has no wick. Be careful, be careful, be careful. I repeat, be careful, be careful, be careful. 5 minute has no wick. If we come up, we are more than likely to break VWAP, push up back higher. So 5 minute has no wick. Be careful. Again, I'm going break even. We have a 1 minute shooter as well. We would want to see us break a 2 down, but again, be careful just because obviously we are at a very important level. If we're shifting trend from here from bearish to bullish, then we will obviously bounce off of here to push up these highs. So I don't want to be in that mess. I don't want to be caught up in that. Go and break even because the 5 minute pretty much has no bottom wick whatsoever. Top wick, sorry. And if it does not break the 2 down, then I don't want to be in this mess. Just understand that. Okay, a lot of buys stepping in here. If this comes up to my entry again because of the 5 minute, I don't want to see this push a 2 up. I would want a 2 down. So if it does not push a 2 down, then I want to get out. So you could even go about putting your stops here, but for me, it's just break even. I don't want to risk anything on this. Personally, not risking anything. Yo.
Got caught in that pullback.
Yeah, I'm in the shorts. And I got stopped out break even. Cool. Well, 2 trades for me. 1 break even, 1 TP. Not gonna force much anymore. Again, I genuinely didn't want to see this kind of do that, right? I'm okay. Just a 5 minute not giving us the actual follow through that I wanted. Pretty much off of this 1 minute, pretty much retracement right here. I don't want to force anything, so I'll probably just close up for the day, guys. I will be posting any positions that I do take on the Discord for anybody that is in there. My positions will be in there. Good analysis. Thank you. Yeah, pretty much, again, if it breaks this, then I don't want to be in that mess. But even though it's still valid for shorts, don't get me wrong, it's still very valid for shorts. So stops above this high. You can target these lows. Still very valid, but I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to step away for now. Alrighty, guys. Take care, everybody. See you guys back on during Asia again tomorrow. And for everybody that's in the Discord, see you guys back on during Discord New York session trading. I love you all. Take care. Stream. See you guys.